Hello once again, everybody. It's now 11:41 and 7 seconds on November 28th. I apologize. I posted the video in the comment section showing that random just froze before the first roll even happened. So I had to shut down the computer, reset it, and set everything back up. So that was the 15-minute delay. So again, this is the main drawing. Having a day. Main drawing for the Detective 85 graded 2.5. Over here on the left are the 45 filled spots. Okay. Gonna roll the 3 dice. The number is 8. I'm gonna randomize 8 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It will ship out tomorrow, which during our little break I've confirmed is November 29th. So here we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here comes the final one. 8, spot 6, Matt Maring from coming in second place in mini number 1. Congratulations. Time is 11:42 and 20.